Hi, I'm Randy Purcell with ServiceMaster Commercial Services of Myrtle Beach.
And I'm Charles Praigg of Maids of Myrtle Beach. ServiceMaster Clean specializes in commercial and healthcare cleaning, and Maids focuses on residential cleaning. Together, we make Myrtle Beach a cleaner, healthier place.
And we're here together today to celebrate National Cleaning Week.
The world has learned a lot about cleaning and disinfecting during the pandemic.
Creating a clean, safe, and healthy environment is now a top priority. Whether you're at home, at work, at school, or out shopping, dining, or seeing your physician.
The threat of bacterial or viral infection can be anywhere, on a doorknob, a faucet, a countertop, and I'm not just talking about COVID. Many illnesses can be transmitted by contact. There's also the dust and dirt that collect on furniture and floors. It can irritate sinuses, aggravate allergies, or other health issues, a real health hazard.
At Maids and ServiceMaster Clean, we are committed to helping break the chain of infection. We use enhanced cleaning and disinfecting services, proven safety protocols, and shared cleaning expertise. This week, we'll share tips and information on creating a clean and healthy environment in your home or business.
We'll talk about science and technology and provide some great advice from cleaning professionals like us.
Join us in celebrating National Cleaning Week. Together, we can break the cycle of infection.